Hi, I'm Isabel.
And I'm James.
This is Thomas.
This is Elizabeth.
And this is Annabelle. Welcome back to our disaster property. We all got older. Thomas started school. I went through almost an entire pregnancy. We bought a house, moved into it, sold our old house, and bought a new house to renovate, all while waiting to get the permits for this house.
I'd been considering removing the...
Yeah.
Honestly, baby.
Do not say anything about the bloating in the process.
Okay.
Don't. Sure thing. While in Portland, we get a phone call.
It's okay. We have a problem.
I have a smile on my face, but I'm not smiling inside. There's a dead possum in the back, too.
Oh, yeah,
In
he
the
got all
garage.
bloated, and then he's...
Slowly decomposed.
Maybe Wednesday we'll see Spider-Man.
No more bad surprises.
It's gonna be hard for me not to see all the spoilers.
I'm very sad for you.